Hey guys, it's Sunlight's back with another Roblox video, and today I am playing Murdery. Today I am just here, like, trying to get away from this nerd. And the volume's up, but y'all can't hear that all the way down. And I don't know, I'm scared. Yeah. So we are trying to find the gun to kill the murderer. The murderer has been... Oh. That's the murderer. Okay. Well, that was very unexpected. Y'all can tell me that. But how did he kill me? Sheriff didn't get him either, I don't think. Why is the volume thing still there? Oh well, it's okay. Okay, so we're just gonna see what map we go in, cause I can't see them. Why am I always innocent? Is that the murderer? I don't know. I feel like that guy's the murderer. Oh god. That was a murder. Well, I wasn't expecting that. That was unexpected. Well, I don't know how many times I want to say that. But, yeah, that was still unexpected. Woo! I want to go back there. Because I like... Ugh! Can I have her be murdered? Sent! I'm in that pool. Okay, so I'm just gonna hide behind here. Oh, the murderer must have left. Okay, that was amazing. That was amazing. I don't know what any of these maps are. The bank. The bank! We're going into the bank. The bank. The bank. I'm gonna hide in this box. I'm just stopping and yeah. I don't know if that was on video the hunt. If it wasn't, that's okay because then I can just keep recording here. I was hiding in a box over back in the back. I haven't moved out of this room ever since we got on this map, so. Oh god. The game's over. I survived. I survived. Okay, thank you to the hero. you'll like my next video. I'm gonna make the video today, but whenever you see it, it'll be next weekend. Because usually on every Friday, I will post a video, but today's Saturday because tonight I didn't have time to film, and today I got up at 6:14 just to get ready for this video because I'm going to a birthday party. I'm murdered, and yeah, I'm murderer. I don't even know I'm gonna have my Freddy. I see a person. Darn. I'm gonna get... Oh, somebody shot me! Who shot me? Not me. No, there's dying people in this part. Oh well. It's okay. But anyway, that's it. And if you like it, please hit that like button. And hello. Go away!
Did I interrupt you?
Yes. Bye.